to present to you about how to make music by using water. This is our members.
Hello, my name is Pam.
My name is Irene.
My name is Cao.
My name is Hudson. Yo.
We are from Khon Kaen Vithayayon School English program in Khon Kaen, Thailand. Here's the video.
Hello, my name is Hudson. I'm from M215, number 7.
Hello, my name is Cao from M215, number 40.
Hello, my name is M215, number 26. Hello, my name is Pam, M215, number 29.
Irene, number 30.
เขาไม่ติดอ่ะ
แล้วเราไม่มายืนกันหรอ
Hello, you guys. Today we're going to be presenting about how to make music by water.
These are things that we are going to need: glasses and a bottle of water. Okay, let's start this experiment. First step is slide the gases up next to each other and fill them with different amounts of water.
The first gas should have a little water while the last gas should have the most water.
Bigger amounts of water creates a bigger sound. Smaller amounts of water creates a smaller sound. But bigger amounts of water creates a lower but bigger sound. The smaller amounts of water creates a higher but smaller sound. And the bigger container creates a lower sound.
The last step is hit the glasses with the most water and see what noise they make.
To sum it up, each gases will have a different tone when you hit the gas with the pencil. The gas with the most water will have the lowest tone, while the gas with the least water will have the highest. Small vibrations create sound waves which travel through the water. More water means a slower vibration and a deeper tone.
Thank you for watching and listening.